Welcome to DMG MORI's digital factory, FAMOT, one of the largest machine tool factories in Europe. In our technology center, we present the latest innovations and products of DMG MORI. FAMOT is not only producing machine tools, but also body machines for other factories of the group. Our entire production chain is fully digitized because FAMOT is digital. From receipt of order, the holistic production planning, the monitoring of mechanical production, the supply chain management, the assembly of the machines, right up to shipping. This increases the efficiency and transparency of the production processes across all levels of the value chain. More than 45 engineers in our R&D department are working on the solutions for the challenges of tomorrow. The machining department, with 40 DMG MORI machines for main parts, works 20 shifts per week. Our spindle machining, with 8 machines, including Taiyo Koki, in the new fully air-conditioned production area, guarantees highest precision spindle production. Quality first. We have strict quality rules for quality check of machined parts. The combination of CMM measurements, statistic control, and manual check are the guarantee for parts quality for assembly. The production of the CLX, the CMX-V, and the CMX-U series with state-of-the-art multi-touch 3D controls is the basis of FAMOT. In addition, FAMOT produces and offers standard as well as customized automation solutions, such as the pallet handling system PH150 and the WH cell for the CMX series, or the gantry loader GX6, or the Robo2Go second generation for the CLX series. The aim of FAMOT is clear: uncompromising quality and unconditional reliability in all areas and in every smallest detail. Efficient logistics chain management ensures a smooth production process and guarantees maximum transparency and flexibility in production. Per year, more than 2,000 CLX and CMX machines and another 3,500 rump body machines and components are exported to over 50 countries worldwide. This makes FAMOT one of the most important players in the global machine tool industry. But all this would not be possible without the backbone of our company, our 700 employees. This is the basis for FAMOT's success: highly qualified and highly motivated engineers, supporting our customers around the world.